Hi, I'm Tracy Falbe, real estate agent with Berkshire, Hathaway, HomeServices, Michigan Real Estate, and I'm based in Battle Creek. The video I'm doing today is an open house preview for 215 West Hamilton Lane in Battle Creek. It is listed by the Jackman-Berner real estate team, who are also in the Battle Creek office. 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath, $224,900. So, if you've ever said you want to get the older home before the flippers get to it, this is a house you should look at. It's a good deal and it's in a nice spot. Our first videos here, we're going to get a look at the outside, and I wanted, even though it's winter and a little bit dreary, to show off the neighborhood. We have a big front yard in front of the house, and it's an older neighborhood with mature trees and big yards. So it's a very peaceful wooded setting, semi-wooded, with lots of lawns and pretty houses all around. However, this neighborhood is very close to everything in town. You have access to the interstate very nearby. You have access to what I call Boxlandia, the area where all the big box stores are. So we're just going to loop through this video and I'll talk about it a bit. As you can see there are hardwood floors underneath the carpet in the main level. Upstairs, it's the same. There are some of the hardwood floors already there, but one of the bedrooms does have carpet. This view from the living room, I just wanted to show off what a nice view it is outside the windows of this home. You have just a lovely classic neighborhood. Here we are in the backyard, showing off that's very roomy. So there are lawns and trees, and as you can see, there are deer in residence. They don't just live at this house, they move through the neighborhood at will, but if you like wildlife viewing, you can definitely expect some deer to pass through this area. I'll get that deck shoveled for the open house. Oh, and when is the open house? December 14th, Sunday, 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So I hope you come by if you're looking for a good deal in Lakeview. Okay, so we showed off the neighborhood. You got a peek inside. And now we'll switch. We'll look at the listing photos that the Jackman-Berner team have paid for. Okay, here are the listing photos, obviously taken before the snow started, although the home has only been on the market about 20 days at this point. So we had snow probably not too long after the pictures were taken. And I will just scroll through these and discuss some of the features of the home. It has central heat and air, so that's good. It was built in 1950. It is the Lakeview School District, if that's something important to you. And it has a 2-car garage, as you see. Oh, in this picture, this is a little addition side room. And it has patio doors that go out to the deck, and this is right off the main living area. And here is the kitchen. The refrigerator and range and a laundry washing machine are included in the listing. So white cabinetry, I think it's original. It is a very clean home in there. Okay, we're up in the bedrooms right now. All the bedrooms did have some closets. And you can see that in 2 of the bedrooms upstairs, the hardwood floors are, original. They don't have the carpet on them. Now, there is one bedroom that does have some carpet in there. And here is the full bath that is upstairs. And so it has everything in there. There's a linen closet in there too. And this is the half bath that is between the kitchen and the entrance to the garage. And the basement stairs are back there too. So here's the basement. And that's the back deck that you couldn't see in my video with all the snow, but it does have a nice back deck. And there you can see there's the central AC unit. And there is in addition to the garage, there is a little shed back there. Nice place to stick the lawnmower. And that's another view of the backyard. All right, so I hope to see you Sunday, December 14th, 1 o'clock. You can come tour this home. It's a good deal in the Lakeview neighborhood. It's a nice area of Lakeview. You just go back there on a twisty little road among all the other pretty houses. So you'll feel kind of peaceful and private back there. And I am Tracy Falbe, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Michigan Real Estate. If you want buyer representation or seller representation in the area, please reach out to me. I'm happy to help either buyers or sellers. My phone number is 269-967-6589. In the description, I will leave a link to the listing photos so you can look at them at your leisure. So please leave a comment, and I hope to see you at the open house. Thanks for watching.